Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, we are creating this gorgeous box. There is a mat of a brushed gold, I think it's called, and then this is texture chic on top. I'm using the new to me dies, and these are called the Stylish Shapes dies. These are stitched circles, and you can see how pretty that is. And the sentiment is from the Timeless Tropical right there. Thank you. Today I'm going to use a different colorway. We're going to still do a matte, which some different Christmas paper. And I know it's too early for Christmas, but this was in texture chic. So I wanted to share with you how to build it. All right, here we have a piece of 8.5 by 9. And on the 8.5 side, we're going to score at 1/2 inch. Going against the paper grain. 2.5, 4.5, and 6.5. We're going to flip it around. We're going to do 1/2, 2.5, and 7. All right, we're going to fold and burnish all of our score lines. I'm going to always start with the tab that adheres the box together. So this is, I'm removing this rectangle, and I wedged. And I'm going to do the same with this one, wedge, and then I'm going to cut off this little square and rectangle. And then up on the score lines, and again up on the score lines. I'm going to trade out for my bigger shears to make this go a little faster. Sorry, scissors. In my real job, I call them shears. Okay, so I like to put the seam at the back. So this will be the lid. These two will be the flaps, and this one needs to be removed. So we're going to do just that. So sometimes I do one of these and I fold the two tabs together, and I just do that for ease of use, so that I am efficient with my cutting. All right, we need to snip off a little bit, wedge there. And then what's gonna happen is, okay, that one's gonna be this one's going to be the inside. This is going to be the outside. So just on these two, I am going to wedge just a little bit. Not a lot, just a little. Get rid of the score line. That way we don't have to trim a lot afterwards. Okay, so that's what you should have to create this box. So what I have here is the mat. So these mats You need 4 of them, and they're 1 3/4 by 4 1/4. And I'm going to place them on the box. And that's just, I believe, mint macaron. Sometimes I find decorating boxes easier when I have them flat. This is the lid. The mat is 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. All right, here comes the designer series paper. So that was this one, but when I flip it over, we have snowflakes. So this is a Christmas box. Don't shoot the messenger. This is 1 1/2 by 4. And I'm just putting them over top of the mint macaron. And when you do matting and designer series paper, it really sturdies the box up. So the box is, it has like 3 layers of paper on its sides. So for the top, we need 1 1/2 by 1 1/2. So it's a lovely square box. All right, so what we need to do here is take our adhesive of choice. Mine is Seal Plus. I'm going to fold that in half and fold that in half, and voila, it's done. We can close the flaps, and we can put in the top. That holds nicely. All right, so this one, the front piece is going to go down last, but this piece is going to go in first. Then on the sides, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an adhesive U, is what I call it. Looks like that. So that's going to go in. And then I'm going to do another adhesive U. And that's going to go in. And then this is the last one, and we're going to do an adhesive U here. Okay, so now that that's all squared up, I'm going to square up the bottom, and I am going to open my front, and I'm going to press down. And you can see how solid that is. I don't know if my camera is focusing on that, but you can see how nice and clean it is in there. So this bottom also is very sturdy. It's cool that you have 2 different looks. This is one side and this is the other side. All right, I do have another circle from the Stylish Shape dies, and I have decided to use, all right, I've chosen for this sentiment the New to Me stamp set. This is out of the holiday catalog. I'm going to use Christmas Greetings. This is an absolutely adorable stamp set. You have some paint swashes, which I love. You got some 3 little Christmas baubles. You have this branch, and then that actually covers this. And then it has 3 sentiments: wishing you a season decorated with happiness and wonder, boughs of jolly, and Christmas greetings. Plus you have some snowflake images there. So I'm going to stamp the sentiment Christmas greetings in evening evergreen, so a nice darkish green, which I believe is in here. Oh good, that's upside down. Oh, that turned out well. Okay, and then I thought I would go in with the snowflakes and mint macaron. I just need a little piece of something, something. Stamp off, stamp on, stamp off, stamp on. Whoop. Stamp off. I'm going right over top of the greetings as well. That's why I wanted it lighter. Voila. Okay, some dimensional adhesive. And, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Voila! Look at them all. They're so cute, you guys. So again, that was using Decorated with Happiness, and this was Timeless Tropical. And you can see all of the supplies I used today listed below in the video see more section or in the supply section of my blog, and those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.